Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please share this video. I would like this video to get to a lot of people. Today I want to talk about selfish person. Selfish person. Now I'm talking this selfish person in men. Selfish husband. Selfish husband. See, a lot of people, men today, are selfish. And this is the reason why we are getting what we are getting. This selfish man or selfish husband, you know you don't like a woman that normally puts hair. You don't want a woman that normally paints her mouth. This man will be in a place where they don't paint it. When this man wants to marry, the man will leave the people that are there, that are obeying this thing. The man will rise up and go outside and look for someone who is putting the hair, who is making up, who loves doing this. He will go and tell the person, I want to marry you. Sometimes some of them will not tell the person that I don't like the way you are dressing. He will tell you he like this thing. Then when he marry you in, he want to force you to follow him and start dressing the way and begin to dress. That's a selfish husbands. There are many selfish husbands today in Africa. Because, because of our nation, the way it carry men and women, you just, you notice that little things is what cause trouble in marriage. You don't like it from beginning. But the person you brought in is somebody who like it. And you will tell me you love the woman. Small things makes marriages to have issue. You don't like someone who is wearing trouser. You did not look for someone who don't like to wear trouser. You will go and marry someone who like to wear trouser. And now you want to force that woman to stop. Don't wear trouser. All these things will not help. Men, all these things doesn't help. You don't like someone who barbs her private parts. Now you marry the woman. The woman used to barb it. You did not tell the woman from beginning. Now you want each of all baba dadadia. Each of all orolanso kogarila denit. That in nadeti nadeti, because I am saying this because I know a lot of people are doing it. Change from those things. There are personal issues in woman's life that a man don't even need to talk about. Yes, how I clean my body, how I shave my body. It is supposed not to be your issue. It's supposed not to be your issue. You know that I'm doing it well. And now that we are married, you don't want me to do it. Why? Don't you know that I already felt this thing is dirty? And you like it. Go for the people that want the same thing you want. Don't force people to do some abnormal things that is not right. Things that don't supposed to be talking. You don't like someone who pray, who goes to church every day, but when you want to marry, someone who you know that he love church, he love prayer, he love everything, you bring the person. Now that the person have come, you say, don't go to church, don't pray, don't do this one. For what? Whatever you start in your marriage from the beginning, please make sure those things you start doesn't end. Those things does not end. Please see what you do in marriage for each other. You bend, I bend. You bend, I bend. This is it.